Look at these. All these frames. For that price on TEMU. Like, that's not that nice. And then she got all of these. Ooh. What's up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon. In today's vlog, we will be doing another TEMU home organization and storage haul. So make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Shout out to TEMU for these amazing organization finds. All of these finds will be linked in the description, as well as my code. Make sure you guys go use it. It's up on the screen to get you 30% off of these products, as well as other discounts. So let's jump into it, guys. Shout out to TEMU, and let's get these homes organized for fall. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, so first up we have this, and I'm not sure which one this is. I think it's my shelf, so let's see. So guys, I have this area in my home, and it's a wall over in my dining room. I'm actually going to show you guys the area in a second. It's like my little dining room area, and I have a lot of like family pictures, trinkets and things that I've had of my sons over the years, and I really want to get that area organized. I'm going to show it to you guys in a few seconds, but it's just super cluttered, and I have pictures everywhere. So I wanted to get some shelves as well as some new picture frames to put over there so I can get it organized for fall. Like, I have been on a fall organization kick, and I love it, and TEMU makes it easy because the prices are so affordable. The shipping is great, and they have no hassle returns too, which is awesome. So these are the black shelves I got. They're like black wooden shelves. So I'm gonna show them to you guys. So here's one. So it's just black wood. Oh, how many did I get? Oh, it's a 3-pack. It's actually a 3-pack, guys. Like, that's not bad. I actually thought it was 2. I thought it was 2, but even better that it's 3. Yes, TEMU. These are the installation instructions, and it looks like it's really simple to do. I initially got this to go into my bathroom, but I think I'm gonna actually just use this part, which is the part that you'll see in the picture. It's like the toilet paper holder. I'm actually gonna put that part in the bathroom and keep that mounted on the wall as my toilet paper holder, which is so cute. It basically goes like that on the wall, and you put your toilet paper rolls in the middle, and I just thought that was so freaking cute. So this one will actually go in my bathroom, but these 2 shelves I actually want to put on my wall over here because I want to put my son's high school graduation diploma on here, and I also want to put like some of his stuff from, you know, over the years on here, because I really want to make one wall that's like all of his baby pictures, all of his graduation pictures and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show you that. But shout out to TEMU for this. Super cost effective. It came with all the brackets as well as the little tools and stuff that you'll need to install it. So shout out to TEMU. Let's see what else we got. Okay, guys. And these are the new picture frames that I got. I want them all to be black. I want all black frames. And this is what they look like. They came very well wrapped. And they're just simple black, but I like the ones that have the little like white inside framing in there. And I just thought they were so freaking cute and classy. I love those. I don't remember what size these are, but this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-pack, y'all. Oh, y'all, I was wrong. I was wrong. This is actually better than I thought it was. It's actually multiple different sizes. Y'all, look at all these frames. Look at these. All these frames for that price on TEMU. And I got them shipped early. Baby, that's a deal, okay? Look at that, y'all. So I actually have 2 of the big ones. This size as well. Super cute. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of this size. It even came with some things for the installation for you to help hang them up. And then it has this size as well, like the minis. Oh, I love this because I have some of his graduation pictures that are small. So this is perfect. And it's 1, 2, 4 of these, 4 of these, and 2 of the other ones. Like, Shout out to TEMU for that. That is a steal, y'all. Y'all better go get that. That is a steal. Look at that. All that for one price. Baby, you can't beat it. So now I'm going to show you guys the little area that I want to organize. And I think I'm going to film myself probably hanging this up and decorating this a little bit. So let's jump into it. Let's go, guys. Woo, I'm so excited. And then this wall here is where I got the shelves to go, so I can put his diploma there. And I have like a big picture of his baby picture that I'm gonna put on one side, and like his graduation picture on the other side with his diploma in the middle. So I'm gonna show you guys me getting these walls together and getting it organized with these frames from TEMU. So let's go. Hey guys, so I wanted to cut in really quick because on this wall here is where I have a lot of my pictures at, and I actually need these pictures to be able to put on the opposite wall. So you'll see me here just pretty much organizing this and taking all these old pictures I have and putting them in new frames. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I finally got all of the pictures I wanted in there. I even made a little frame for my granny and included some of his awards. So this is gonna be so freaking cute. So let's put it up here. Let's go. guys, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlog because I'll actually be redoing this wall here. This is another like little side of my dining room that is a mess that I will be taking care of. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. I am all done. I'm actually going to get some more of these shelves and put 2 shelves here and do some bigger pictures at the top. So I'm going to order another set of these frames because like I want this picture in the frame. And then I have some more pictures over here too that I want framed. And I'm gonna do 2 shelves because he has a lot of trophies. So I'll put 1 trophy here on a stand, but he has like a lot of these. Put like 2 shelves with his trophies with like 2 pictures up at the corner, and then take these and just fill them all in the gap. I want this whole wall literally filled with pictures. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this fall organization haul. Thank you so much to TEMU. These products are amazing. Make sure you guys go shop them. They will be in my description. And make sure you guys go watch my other TEMU vlogs as well. Okay, there are multiple. And make sure you guys use my code on the screen to go shop and get a 30% discount. Shout out to TEMU. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.